How do I get my business site higher in Google? Part 4. Hey everybody, I'm Dr. Ty with Powerful SEO. Talked about myself in Part 1, so if you're interested, hit that first and you can learn about me. I'm going over the 29 tips on SEO when building a website. This is an article that I wrote. It's got some great tips on it, even when you're marketing a website that's already there. It doesn't have to be a brand new website. The link to this article is going to be in the notes or the caption or the description, depending upon where you're watching. If you're on the blog or on the podcast, go to our blog, portbell.com, and go to Success Tips. That's our blog, and you'll be able to watch this or read the full article as well. Today, I'm going to go in order. I know that's strange. I haven't done that yet. And I'm going to start with number 7. Develop a strategic plan for your content. Do some keyword research. Keyword research is in number 17, which I went over in part 3. And develop a plan on content that works with the best keywords. Plan on writing a page or blog post once a week, fortnight, not the game, month, or whatever works for you. Number 8, and strategic page design. Have you been scanning each number to see what you may be interested in? Other people do. Make good use of headers, H1, H2, etc. Use bold and italics to highlight important text also, but not just text. Yes, search engines love text, but people love images. Mix in some imagery with the text to break it up a bit. Number 9, remove any duplicate content. This is very important. Your website should not have any duplicate content. You can use Copyscape to check your site as well from number 6 above. Or not above since you're watching this. However, some e-commerce sites have duplicate content because the items you sell may be on more than one page. In that case, I recommend hiring someone to help you create what's called the canonical page, and I know that's techie nerdy, sorry, for your website. Canonical pages is basically when you have duplicate content, you can tell the search engines, yeah, there's 5 pages that have the same information, but this one page is the one I want the search engine to pay attention to. That can be very important for e-commerce sites when you don't just have a standard HTML or standard PHP page, when it's dynamically creating the content. And again, I highly recommend that you hire someone to help you with that because it can get really techie nerdy real quick when you have e-commerce sites. Hey everybody, thank you for listening to or watching part 4. I'm Dr. Ty. Go to portbell.com under our success tips. Hey, join the club and you're going to find out when new videos come out before anybody else. And be sure to either give us a thumbs up, give us a like. I really appreciate it. And have a great day.